Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by choosing the right reader and opening the file stream. This determines buffering and character handling. Use files. New buffered reader, path for UTF-8 text, FileInputStream for raw bytes, or FileReader for simple char reads. Once chosen, wrap in BufferedReader or BufferedInputStream to improve performance and reduce system calls. Make sure to use try with resources so streams close automatically. This prevents leaks and avoids manual finally blocks. Now that the stream is open, you're ready to read data reliably. You'll read in a loop, choosing read line. For text, read byte for bytes or files. Lines, path for a stream of lines. This lets you process without loading everything into memory. Once done reading each chunk, parse it immediately. Split CSV, map JSON, or convert bytes to objects so you keep memory usage low. Make sure to handle character encoding consistently. Mismatched encodings produce garbled text. If performance matters, tune buffer sizes and avoid unnecessary string concatenation inside the loop. Finish by ensuring resources are closed and errors are handled. Try with resources handles closure, while catch blocks let you log and recover from I/O exceptions. If reading fails, check file path, permissions, and encoding. These are the most common culprits. For robust apps, validate file size before heavy processing and add retry logic for transient I/O issues. One troubleshooting tip: if text looks wrong, verify the char set used to open the stream versus the file's actual encoding and adjust accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.